Good day guys, Chef Ben again, and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to make a fish steak in a fruit sauce. Yes, today I'll be using an orange sauce, but feel free to change the sauce, the fruit. You can change it to mango, to pineapple, to dragon fruit or strawberry. And as well as the fish, you can change the fish steak into any fish steak that's available in the market. It can be a Lapu steak, a snapper steak, a Marlin steak, a tuna steak, or maybe a salmon steak. Yes. You can also change the vegetable if you want. If you're not happy with the carrots, feel free to change it to any vegetable in your stock room, in your inventory. As well as the potatoes, you can change it to pasta or maybe to rice. Okay, for first timer, after watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe and kindly click the bell button as well, so that you would be notified on my next uploading of the video. So, let's start. Okay guys, we will now make the sauce for our fish steak in orange sauce. Our ingredients for our sauce are of course 1 cup of orange juice and 1 cup of chicken stock and 1/4 cup of sugar, and of course we need to have our thickener, 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, and to enhance the flavor of our sauce we need to add orange rind, the julienne cut orange rind, and we'll be using our fry pan to make the sauce. We will first make the sauce and then we'll set it aside because we will use it later on when we finish our dish. Got it guys? To start, we'll just put the orange juice and the chicken stock into the pan, and then we will also be adding our cornstarch, because that will thicken our sauce. But you have to stir it well, continuously but gently, until all the cornstarch are dissolved in the mixture. Got it guys? Then now we'll turn on the heat and we will bring it to boil, but continue to stir it gently. The reason is to avoid the lumps, because if you don't stir it, lumps would be formed and it will it's not good to look at when it's done. And then when it starts to boil, you will just lower the heat and then simmer it. Continue simmering until it gets thick. Okay, in a little while it will be boiling, and then when it starts to boil just like this, we will now add our orange rind so that the flavor would be enhanced by the rind. Okay guys, just continue simmering while stirring gently until it is smooth and thick enough just to coat a spoon. Okay guys, so now we will add some chopped malunggay leaves to add color to the sauce. Yes, to add color and to make it more healthier. Got it guys? Okay guys, so it's almost done. So a few more seconds and our orange sauce is done, ready to use for our fish steak in a little while. Okay, now we will start with our fish steaks. And of course, these are our ingredients. We have 5 pieces of fish steak, and for our vegetables, we have blanched corn and carrots and boiled potato, and also orange segments and chopped malunggay leaves, and not to forget our salt. Okay, so first we have to season our fish steak with the salt. We just have to sprinkle our salt in our fish on both sides. Remember, you can use any fish stick available in the market. You can choose Lapu, snapper, Marlin, Tuna, or Salmon. Adding lemon or calamansi juice is recommended to do away with the sting of the fish. Yes. So well, for this one, I did not add any lemon or calamansi because my wife is she had a hyperacidity, and she doesn't want lemon or any acid in her food, as well as one of my daughter also suffering from hyperacidity. So now we will fry our fish. First, we have to preheat the pan, add some oil, and then we just have to swirl the pan so that we can distribute the oil evenly all over the pan. Okay, now we will start to pan fry our fish steak. Okay, so there you go, our first steak, our second, and then our third. But make sure that the pan is really very hot so that the fish would not stick. Okay, so our fourth. There is no more room for the other one, so we'll just do it later on. Okay, now make sure to preheat your pan. It's smoking hot before you add oil, and then when it's and then you can start to pan fry without the food sticking to your pan. Okay, now we'll turn it on the other side. Okay. Okay. So there you are. We have just turned it on the other side. Okay. Okay. We'll just wait for this to cook, and then we'll finish the last one. Okay. Now, when these are all done, we will simmer it in our sauce. Of course, now it's done. So we'll just take it out from the pan and set it aside so that we can start to the third portion, which is the simmering of the fish. Okay. So okay, now we'll take it out, and then we will just have to set it aside because the same pan, we'll just have to clear the pan, but we will still use the same pan. We just have to clean it, and then afterwards we will just be putting the orange sauce. There you go. There is the orange sauce now, and now we just have to bring it to boil. Now we'll add the fish. Okay, the second one, and then the third, then the fourth, and of course the last one. Okay, we bring it to boil, and then later on we will lower the heat to simmering, and then we'll just have to simmer it for about 5 minutes. It's more than enough for the fish to cook and for the fish to absorb the flavor of the sauce. Okay, got it, guys? Okay, now our fish is almost done. So it's 5 minutes. So now we'll just have to take it out and put it in the serving dish. There it is now, our fish steak served with boiled potato, carrots, and chopped malunggay leaves, also with some orange segments. Got it, guys? So I believe I have shown you very clearly on how to make a fish steak with orange sauce. As I have told you earlier, you can change the flavor of the fruit to any fruit that's available. It could be mango, pineapple, strawberry, or whatever fruit that's available, maybe dragon fruit. Okay, and for comments and suggestions, kindly just write it down below so that I can attend to it, to whatever your comments is or maybe your suggestions, so that we can really upgrade our video. And before I forget, the first timers, don't forget to subscribe and also the bell button. Kindly click so that you'll be notified when the next uploading of the video. So, thank you for watching. See you next video. This is Chef Ben Salmon signing off. And God bless us all.